In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and use a controller on Steam if you want to play your PC games with a controller instead of a keyboard and mouse. The good news is that Steam usually makes the process very simple. In many cases, Steam should detect the controller automatically, which means there's very little setup required before you can start playing. To begin, connect your controller to your computer. You can do this either with a USB cable or, if your controller supports it, through Bluetooth. Once the controller is connected, give your computer a moment to recognize the device. Then open Steam and let it fully load. At this point, Steam should detect the controller automatically. In most cases, you'll notice that the controller is ready to use right away, especially in games that already support controller input. This automatic detection is one of the reasons Steam is so convenient for controller users, because it often handles the basic configuration for you in the background. If you want to make sure everything is working, you can try moving through the Steam interface with the controller, or launch a game that supports controller play. If the controller responds, that means Steam has recognized it successfully. This is a quick and easy way to confirm that the connection is working before you spend time troubleshooting anything that may not actually be a problem. If the controller does not seem to respond immediately, wait a few seconds and make sure the connection is secure. For wired controllers, check that the cable is plugged in properly. For wireless controllers, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled and that the controller is paired with your computer. Sometimes simply reconnecting the controller can help Steam recognize it. It's also a good idea to make sure Steam is updated to the latest version, since updates can improve compatibility with different controller types. Some games may also have their own controller settings, so even if Steam detects the controller, you may still want to check the in-game controls if something doesn't feel right. Overall, the main thing to remember is that Steam should detect the controller automatically, making setup fast and easy for most players. Once it's recognized, you can jump into your games and enjoy a more comfortable experience, especially for racing, platforming, sports, or action titles. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.